Nagaland's COVID-19 cases surge with 16 new cases reported from various quarantine centers across the state. Total positive cases stand at 387 with 225 active cases and 162 recoveries. BSL-2 lab at CIHSR Dimapur inaugurated today. Health and Family Welfare Minister says the lab will enhance the testing capacity on COVID-19 in the state. And India's COVID-19 tally raised past 5 lakh today. Total caseload zooms to 5,08,953 and active cases stand at 1,97,387. Well, hello and welcome to this news broadcast from News and Trends. We begin this bulletin by taking a look at the COVID-19 update from the state. Nagaland's COVID-19 cases surged with 16 new cases reported from various quarantine centers across the state. Informing this in his couple of tweets today, State's Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Peren said in his first tweet this morning that 4 new cases of COVID-19 positive have been reported out of 393 samples tested. He said all cases are from Dimapur Quarantine Center. Later in the afternoon, the minister also tweeted to inform that 12 new cases of COVID-19 positive have been reported out of 29 samples received from Dibrugarh. This time, all the cases were from Mon Quarantine Center. Nagaland has been seeing a daily rise in COVID-19 cases since the day the virus was first detected from the returnees from across the country. Health officials have said that most of the cases have been linked to the Chennai special train that arrived at Dimapur on May 22nd. Meanwhile, in a late tweet this evening, State's Health and Family Welfare Minister informed that 2 more patients have recovered from COVID-19. Both patients are from Dimapur. With this, the total positive cases reported from the state stand at 387 with 223 active cases and 164 patients having recovered from the infection. The BSL-2 lab at CIHSR Dimapur was inaugurated by Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Peren today. The minister inaugurated the lab in the presence of PHED Minister Jacob Jimomi, some advisors and department officers. During the inauguration, the minister expressed the hope that the lab will enhance the testing capacity on COVID-19 and help test other diseases in the long run. We have this report. In his inaugural speech, Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Peren termed it as a significant day for Nagaland as the state could complete 2 BSL labs under difficult circumstances and within 2 months. Stating that the 2 laboratories are in addition to the TrueNats, he has said attempts will be made to conduct maximum and aggressive testing.
Though our state has seen steady rise in COVID-19 cases, we must not panic because all these cases were detected at institutional quarantine centers and all the patients had come from outside the state. On June 25th, 2020, 5 frontline workers at Kohima and Mon were tested positive, COVID-19 positive. However, the respective district task force swung into action and has taken all precautionary measures to contain any possible community spread. I assure the people that so far we do not have any community spread. Therefore, I urge the people not to panic or spread rumors, but to follow the SOP and guidelines issued by the government.
PHED Minister Jacob Jimomi in his speech expressed happiness, saying that though under tremendous pressure from the people, the dream is fulfilled. He appreciated all those behind the successful installation of the lab.
We faced a lot of criticisms, but by the grace of God, we all have stayed true. we must thank God Almighty for not letting the Naga people face the dangerous consequences of this pandemic virus. We allowed all the volunteers involved in the medical department, all the forefront workers, all our nurses who have not slept for the last 6 months. Government is there to support and to go to any extent to see the pandemic is contained. But at the same time, without the conviction of our health-like workers, our medical department, who are at the forefront, facing all the powder and the rats of the people. It is because of you that we have come this far, and I would like to thank all of you personally.
Secretary Health and Family Welfare Kesonye Yomhe emphasized on the huge potential the laboratories hold for the future for research. He informed that once the BSL-2 lab goes operational, it can test 45 to 80 samples per day initially. He said the laboratory would likely go operational today once the ICMR issues a unique ID or login credentials to the CIHSR. CIHSR Director Dr. Sedevi also emphasized on the potential the facility would serve for research while stating that it will attract scholars to the state. He said the BSL lab is a safe facility for those who work inside and for those who live outside, adding that everything that goes in is sterilized and people need not be scared as it is extremely safe.
To start the BSL-3 in Kohima and also guide us in this. I want to thank my lab team headed by Dr. Nito and Reinhold and the support team of IT, Ben, Electrical Sneerswar, Civil Nishi.
No space.
Assembly there or around which this whole lab, what is the problem?
6 days after it reported the 4 lakh infections, India's COVID-19 tally raced past 5 lakh today with the highest single-day surge of 18,552 cases, while the death toll climbed to 15,685 according to the Union Health Ministry data. The COVID-19 caseload zoomed to 5,08,953, while 384 fresh fatalities were reported in the last 24 hours. It took 110 days for coronavirus infection in the country to reach 1 lakh, while just 39 days more to go past the 5 lakh mark on June 27th. The number of active cases stands at 1,97,387, while 2,95,880 people have recovered and 1 patient has migrated, according to the updated figure at 8 a.m. Thus, around 58.13% patients have recovered so far, an official said. Maharashtra has reported the highest number of cases, followed by Delhi, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and West Bengal, the ministry data stated. In the northeast, Assam has reported 6,607 cases of the pathogen. A total of 1,325 cases have been reported from Tripura. Manipur has 1,075 COVID-19 cases. Mizoram has 145. Arunachal Pradesh has 172. Meghalaya 47. And Sikkim has reported 86 cases till now. The total number of global coronavirus cases has increased to 97,97,226, while the death toll has reached 4,94,058 according to the Johns Hopkins University. With 24,67,404 confirmed cases and 1,25,039 deaths, the US currently accounts for the highest number of infections and fatalities in the world. Brazil comes in the second place with 12,74,974 infections and 55,961 deaths. The other countries with over 10,000 deaths are the UK, Italy, France, Spain, Mexico and India. Deputy Commissioner Peren has informed that in view of the large numbers of returnees from outside the state having completed the facility quarantine period within the district and following the SOPs being sent for community home quarantine to their respective villages and wards, and considering that many frontline workers have been engaged in managing the returnees, it has become necessary to take stringent precautions to prevent any unlikely incident that may result in local or community transmission. Therefore, in order to ensure that COVID-19 pandemic is successfully contained and do not possess unnecessary risk to public health and safety of the citizens of Peren, Deputy Commissioner of Peren, Santiwapang Iyer, has issued an order today stating a total lockdown is hereby being imposed for the whole of Peren district from 30th June 2020 to 5th July 2020, whereby all undermentioned activities shall remain strictly prohibited. According to a DIPR report, only the exempted categories related to COVID-19 services such as medical, police, administration, all frontline workers involved in COVID-19 duty, and those involved in farming activities and people on medical emergencies shall be allowed movement with necessary permit. Only pharmacies will be allowed to open. However, all safety measures such as compulsory use of face mask, frequent hand washing, use of hand sanitizer, and maintenance of social distancing shall be strictly adhered to while carrying out COVID-19 duties. Advisor Tourism, Art and Culture Kehovi Yepto visited Zinoboto district and held a meeting with District Task Force and ZCMC at Deputy Commissioner's residence today. In interaction with the members, the advisor appreciated the efficiency of all those who have been working tirelessly for the common cause during COVID-19 pandemic. According to DIPR, the advisor emphasized on the importance of awareness at the village level, who could be easily misinformed of do's and don'ts, leading to catastrophic consequences. Further, he apprised the members about 4 numbers of ventilators to be installed at the district COVID hospital by Ministry of the concerned department at the earliest. He also informed that the current SOP shall be adhered to till further order. Encouraging the frontliners, he expressed sincerity on behalf of the government to work united at any given situations. Chairing the meeting, Deputy Commissioner Peter Lichamo thanked the advisor for sparing time, reviewing the preparedness and situation at the district. Earlier, Deputy CMO Dr. K. Akaho Sema, reporting on the details, specified that so far the district has received 428 returnees, of which 107 had completed the quarantine periods, both facility and home. 287 returnees home quarantined at the moment, and 499 numbers of samples have been tested, out of which 344 were through TruNat machine and 165 through BSL Kohima, and 16 sample results were still awaited. He said that the 3 positive patients who are in district COVID hospital are asymptomatic and doing well. Now, we at News and Trends would like to inform all the parents of school children below the age of 10 that we are organizing a video message competition for the kids to keep them busy while the schools are shut. All you have to do is let your kids take part in this competition to express their views, opinions, and appreciation to the frontline workers in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Prizes will be awarded to the first and second, along with 3 consolation prizes. For all entries, you can visit our Facebook page, News and Trends from Nagaland. All you have to do is shoot the video message on the mobile phones and send them to the WhatsApp number 6909864232 along with the name, age, and other details. The last date for entry is 1st of July 2020. Do visit our Facebook page, News and Trends for Nagaland, for all the details. That's all we have time for in this edition of News Broadcast. But before we leave you, here's a reminder that you can send in your videos at the WhatsApp number flashed below and be part of this venture of being a citizen journalist. Do let us know what's happening in your village, your town, your district, or your locality so that we can share your videos to the rest of the viewers watching this broadcast. Meanwhile, stay safe, practice safe health hygiene, and maintain social distancing wherever you are. But most importantly, take good care of yourself. Thanks for watching.